Interface can contain method, property, event, and indexer like a class, but it only contains the declaration part. The implementation part of the members will be present in the class who will implement this interface. And by default, all the members of the interface is abstract and public. An interface cannot contain private member. Okay, and by the interface we can achieve the multiple inheritance. So I'm taking an example here. You can see this is an interface. So by using the interface keyword, we can create the interface. Okay, it contains a method that name is so and return type is void. You can see this by default. This method is public and abstract. So here we are not need to give the abstract and public keyword. Okay, and it only contains the declaration. You can see this not contain the definition of the method. Okay, and here you can see a new class that is a my class which inherit. You can see by the colon it can inherit, or you can say the implement this interface. Okay, so now this class should give the definition of the method of the interface. You can see. Okay, so here because this is the method of the interface, so this method should be public in the class. Okay, and here I am providing some dummy implementation of this class method. Okay, and in the main method I am creating an object of the my class. Okay, and calling this show method of the class. Okay, now I am running this application. You can see it is displaying show method implementation. Okay, this is the message. You can see it is coming from here. Okay, so we can call any method of or give any definition of the interface method in the implemented class. Okay, so the interface only define the structure of the functionality. Okay, and it's depend on the class who implement that interface to give their implementation. Means whatever the structure of that member, means in this case here is a member, that is a method. Okay, so whatever the signature of that method, means the return type and the parameter and the name is defined by the interface. Okay, and the definition, or you can say the implementation of this method is different within the class. Means if I will create any another class who will implement the same interface, and that class can give the different implementation of the show method. Okay, but the signature should be same for in that case. Okay, so it will only provide the structure, and you can say the contract from the client to the interface. So in that case, if you provide a signature or the contract or some common functionality to a different type of classes, means not from the top to bottom, different type of classes. Okay, so in that case we can use the interface, and through the interface we can achieve the abstraction as well as we can also achieve the multiple inheritance. Okay, if you have any query related to the interface, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.